Chef Vijay from Udupi Institute of Hotel and Tourism Science, Manipal. Today we are going to make one Chinese soup. It's a famous one. It is called as hot and sour vegetable soup. Hot and sour vegetable soup. The first important thing is the ingredients. The ingredients what we use in this soup is vegetables like carrot, fine chopped, beans chopped, cabbage chopped, spring onion chopped, fine chopped garlic and fine chopped ginger. The seasoning ingredients are salt and pepper. Then we use, in the Chinese preparation, we use some sauces like vinegar, that is in Indian terminology for vinegar is sirka. Then we have soya sauce, dark soya sauce, red chili sauce. Then we have slurry. Slurry is corn flour and water mixture. Corn flour and water mixture. This is used for the thickening purpose. The slurry is used for the thickening purpose. This is the mixture of corn flour and water. Right. And ingredients like oil goes into it and vegetable stock. As it is veg soup, we are going to use the vegetable stock. These are the ingredients. The equipment we require to make this soup is wok, W-O-K, wok. That is kadai. In Indian terminology it is called as kadai. In this we make Chinese soup called as any soup or any main course, any dessert which is prepared in this wok, Chinese wok. Right. So wok is required to make the dish, and then we require a ladle, right? All right. The first ingredient goes in this is tablespoon of oil, right? Tablespoon of oil. When I say oil, it can be groundnut oil, it can be refined oil, it can be sesame oil, any oil which has less odor, right? So oil we have used. Next ingredient is the garlic, right? We're going to add some garlic, and then we'll be putting some ginger into it. Next ingredient is, to get that meaty texture, we're going to add some mushroom. Right? So, and one more important thing we should remember when we are making Chinese soups, you should not turn anything brown. Chinese or continental, you should not turn brown. That's very important. So the ingredients which I have put is oil, in which we have put some garlic, some ginger, and now I'm going to add the mushroom, fine chopped mushroom, right? We have put some fine chopped mushroom. Just keep stirring. For which I'm going to add now chopped carrot, and some beans. Again, this is also chopped one, right? Chopped beans. Next ingredient is fine chopped cabbage. You should not overcook when you are making Chinese preparation. No, this is called as stir-fried cooking. Chinese preparation is called as stir-fried cooking, and it is done on a high pressure burner. Green chili. Now I am going to add some seasoning. Around a teaspoon of soya sauce and a little of vinegar. Now in this mixture, I'm going to add some salt and pepper powder. Salt and pepper powder. So very simple to prepare. The ingredients which we added is garlic, ginger, oil, then vegetable, then vinegar, soya sauce, salt and pepper. Now we are going to put stock, fresh stock, vegetable stock. So we'll have to allow this to boil. Soup is getting ready now. See, in the case of Chinese preparation, 80% mise en place. You understand what is mise en place? Mise en place takes more time. That is cutting part. And cooking part takes only 20%. 80% is cooking and 20% is 80% is cutting and keeping all the mise en place ready, and 20% is cooking. So almost it is done now. Now once it starts boiling, you're going to add red chili paste. Slurry. Now we are going to put the slurry for the thickness, right? The soup gets thickened by the slurry you use. This is the thickening agent which we use in the Chinese preparation, slurry, right? We have put some slurry. Now we'll have to So this is your hot and sour vegetable soup, and we are going to finish it with this is the consistency. You can see the consistency of the soup, and yeah, this is hot and sour vegetable soup. In this, the garnish which goes is fine chopped this is the garnish for Chinese hot and sour vegetable soup.